Independence Day. To my respected teachers and friends, today we celebrate 77th Independence Day. We should feel proud to be a part of independent nation. We have freedom of speech, freedom to live in our own way. India achieved independence on 15 August 1947. It is the day India became free from the British rule for almost 200 years. And after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighter 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. Many heroes sacrifice their life to get freedom for India. Due to brave warriors, we are living